In today's video, I will explain how to upload a logo to your Shopify store with easy and simple steps. First, click on Online Store, then select Themes. Next, find your store's current theme and click on Customize to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look for the Settings icon section and click on it. Then, you will find the Logo option. Click on it. You will see an option to upload your logo. Click on Upload Image, then upload the logo from your device, or choose a saved image from your Shopify library and click Done. After uploading the logo, you can resize it using the Width Adjustment slider to match your store's design. Now, we will add a favicon, the small icon that appears when people visit your store. To do this, click on Select, choose the logo you want, and then press Save. Finally, we will refresh the page, and as you can see, the logo and favicon have been successfully added. That's it for this video.